Yeah, so I got this little idea that I've had for a while, or since I found the third part of the information that made this a viable option, and in fact, I reckon a 100% viable option. And so they used to say, I say used to because there's either a Mandela effect happened, um, or not. Because I'll explain. They used to say in quite a number of places on YouTube or wherever that the pyramid is in the center of the land's earth of the center of the Earth's land mass, which would mean, let's say, from the four corners, you'd have the same amount of Earth going all the way around from those four corners. I think that's what. Anyway, center of the Earth's landmass, and I'll explain later what the internet says about that now, possibly. And so for this to become a reality, there needs to be these three particular things be a peripheral in regards to the Great Pyramid. The second one is the longitudinal or now I've forgotten the longitudinal, or I'm a spastic. Longitude, whatever the other one is. I'm an idiot, everybody! Yay! Anyway, that one of them running alongside the Great Pyramid, exactly where the Great Pyramid is positioned, that longitudinal value is the same as light. Now that is fucking extreme. I gather that most of you wouldn't have heard that before, because you poor bastards have to go to work for too long during the week, so you never get a chance to look into this kind of stuff, or you just don't really give a shit. But for those who do care about interesting facts like that, yeah, that's hardcore. To have that exact spot be the it's telling me to rest from mine, and I've just been parked here. Yeah, the speed of light, and I've seen that one. I'm pretty sure it's true. Now the third peripheral in going into this little cauldron of a fucking what can we call this, soup, into the cauldron of this particular soup, is that the Great Pyramid at Giza is a scale model, okay, of the northern hemisphere of Earth, and it's done at the ratio of, we'll see, there's 1 2 dot dot 1 432 432 1 to 432 hertz or something. So it's 1 to 432. But this, I think it would be 43,200. There would be 43,200 pyramids. 43,200 pyramids. Yep. That if we're stacked on top of each other, would be the exact. Now this is incredible in itself, because whoever made those pyramids knew the Earth's the Earth's, well, all of it, the Earth's diameter, the Earth's blah 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 blah. And so the third one, when they got shown to me, I got shown them with the 1/432 happened first. Then I think it was Robert Edward Grant with the speed of light number on the longitudinal or latitudinal, whatever, yeah. And then when the anyway, it doesn't matter what the order it was, but I got an idea as soon as I heard, or a little bit after. I was like, fuck, if all three of those are true, then that means that the Earth was made by not nature, some dude like had a construction team and built it. Tell me what you think about that. Because if there's three peripherals like that, it couldn't have been. How did I come up with in my mind? Because it's again, it's just a thought experiment of mine. But how did I come up with in my mind? Can I pause this? Yeah, let me pause. I think it had something to do with the center of the Earth's landmass and the speed of light one. If you have two of those, yeah, it just I don't know, it just meant that the Earth wasn't built by a natural thing. It was intelligent design. Someone had thought it through. But maybe that's how it works as well. It just goes off. It's just an explosion. This is just one explosion. That's all it is. One big fucking explosion. It's now turned into what we have right today. Anyway, whatevs. Still pretty fucking sweet or pretty clever shit, like those pyramids. I was thinking the other day, the capstone, which I think was Electra or something, or platinum or something. Someone would have that. Someone on Earth has got that. Fucking, I bet you it's that Egyptian Hawagi, whatever the fuck he is. He was on Joe Rogan and just he's like, he's so out of date, and he just, whatever he thinks about Egypt is ridiculous. He's the antiquities boss. Anyway, I shall be going.